How you all doing, guys? Brandon here from Retro Dodo. Thank you for checking out this unboxing. I'm sure there's plenty on your feeds right about now, but hopefully this is one of the first or one of the grey unboxings that you'll see amongst your feed. And we went with the grey because it's minimalist, it's not as vibrant as the blue and yellow. The blue and yellow for me personally, it's just a bit too much, and the grey kind of looks a bit more sleeker in our opinion. But if you're interested in picking them up, here is a look at the grey, and hopefully it will make your decision a bit easier. So we're going to open it up and compare it to the original Nintendo Switch size-wise. I'm very excited. This for me, and hence why I'm wearing a Game Boy Advance hoodie, is I think I'm going to get that old school feel from this. Hopefully, you never know. It's just a smaller, more portable Nintendo Switch that hopefully feels like a Game Boy Advance, but it probably won't. So the box, nothing special. You're not getting a lot in here at all. Here is the Switch Lite itself, and oh my God, that is small. Let's take a look what you get in here. You get your manual, and you literally get an adapter. That's it. That's all you get here. The adapter is quite long, actually. Fair play. USB-C, obviously, and your Nintendo Switch manual there, which we won't need looking at. So let's take a look at the handheld itself. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm really digging the matte look. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm digging this. Now, scratches aren't going to show that much, which I like. Handheld-wise, this is similar to like an old school PSP. Very, very small. So let's pull over the original Nintendo Switch here, and you can kind of see size-wise. Look at that. Look at that. It's a lot smaller. Now, if I'm right, the Joy-Cons are similar size, a bit smaller than the grip here on the Lite. Let's turn it on. So obviously on the front here, you've got your huge, not huge, but it's big compared to most handhelds out there. Your 5.5 inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1280 by 720. So it is slightly crispier in terms of PPI than the original Nintendo Switch here. And like first up, the analog sticks are identical. But as you can see here, they've changed the D-pad on the Switch Lite. So it's an actual D-pad here, which I really, really do like. But the grey is looking sleek. I'm really, really liking the grey here. It's just a bit more stealthy in my opinion. You've got your micro SD card slot down here, your USB-C. And for those of you wondering, yes, we will be pimping the Nintendo Switch Lite. I'm starting to get accessories in now, but they are very, very limited. So if any of you out there know any cool accessories that you think I should get hold of to pimp this with, hit me up. Now, I'm also going to do a video on things like reasons why you shouldn't buy it, because I think a lot of people are going to get a little bit confused with why they should be buying this instead of the original Switch. So I think a video will be coming up soon, or if you're watching this a bit later than the upload, it's probably up now. So check it out on reasons why you shouldn't buy it, because there is a big difference between these two products and the price range. You're only saving like £80, I think, or $70, something like that. So it's not a big difference in terms of price range, but in terms of what you can do, it's quite drastic changes. But let me go through this and we'll play a game. So this is obviously going to be the tutorial, so don't expect mad gameplay. This is just a look at like the color, how it looks on a smaller handheld, and just general gameplay. Speakers wise though, these things pack a punch as well. So there you have it, a quick unboxing of the grey Nintendo Switch Lite. I will be pimping it, I will be getting in a ton of accessories, and like compared to the Switch here, you know, it is a lot different, and it is, for like, in my opinion, two completely different consoles, and the price range isn't that much different. But hey ho, there will be a video coming up about why you should really take the original Switch into consideration when buying this, because it is, in my opinion, two completely different handhelds. So there you have it, a quick unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite. Thank you for checking it out, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Peace.